Namaskar parents, good morning kids, how are you all? Hope you all are happy, safe at your home. I am your Anchal from New Era Global School. So our today's video we start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Thank you God for world so sweet. Thank you God for food we eat. Thank you God for bird that sing. Thank you God for everything. Once again. Thank you God for world so sweet. Thank you God for food we eat. Thank you God for bird that sing. Thank you God for everything. Now rub your hands. Put them on your eyes. Open your eyes. And now you feel fresh. Okay, so let's move on to today's activity part. So, shall we start our today's activity? So, today's activity is in A4 size chart paper. First, I will draw one boy and zero number. Then, I will draw a zebra and zoo. Okay. So, which line is this, kid? We'll done this line in letter W. Are you all know this line? Zigzag line. Yes. So take out a one color. I will choose here this one. So who is he? He is a Zack. He is a Zack. Zack love to read numbers. Zack love to read number. Once a day he was learn a number. He was saw that zero number is missing. Oh, पता है क्या हुआ? जैक उसे क्या पसंद था? नंबर्स को पढ़ना. उसे मैथ सब्जेक्ट बहुत पसंद था. तो एक बार जब वो नंबर्स पढ़ रहा था तो उसने देखा कि जीरो नंबर मिसिंग है. देन दे फाइंड अ नंबर जीरो. Then they find the number 0. So, will you help him? I will tell you that we use he for boy and she for girl. So, he is a Zack. He is a Zack. So, हमें उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए ना? Yes. So, we help him. So, how we help him? We trace the zigzag line and we trace the zigzag line और उसको कहाँ तक पहुँचाएंगे? नंबर 0 तक. Okay. So shall we start? Which line is this? Right side slant line, left side slant line, right side slant line, left side slant line. We make a path for Zack. That's Zack walking on zigzag line. And he find her number 0. Yes, clap for yourself everyone. Zack find number 0. Now zebra. Who is he? He is a zebra. And zebra are lost away. zebra घूम गया है. कहाँ से? जू में से निकल के घूम गया है. So kids, he lost away. वो घूम गया है. कहाँ से? जू से. So we find the path and we help him because we are helpful. Okay. So zebra to zoo, we find the path. Zig slant line down to a slant line, zigzag, zig, and zebra find the zoo. Yay! Clap for zebra and clap for yourself everyone. We help a Zack for number 0 and zebra for zoo. So I will, in this activity I will tell you a name related letter. Zack, zero, zebra, zoo. Okay, so which line is this? Zigzag line. Yes kids. So which letter has sound? We like. So which is this letter? Yes, letter Z. Letter Z. And what is the phonic sound of Z? Z. What is the phonic sound of Z? Z. So our today's activity is based on letter Z. So yes kids, Today we learn new letter. Yesterday we learned letter Y in our worksheet. So today we learn a new letter. So are you ready for a new letter? So come with me. So kids, so in this activity we learn for Z, for zigzag line, for zigzag line, and for zebra, and for zoo. So today we learn new letter Z. Yesterday we learned Y letter. So Y after Z. And you know kids, Z is the last letter of the alphabet. So kids, you learn all letters A to Z. Very good kids. Clap for yourself everyone. I will be proud of you. Now this is for Z. This is for Z. So I will show you some object who's related with letter Z. With letter Z. So are you all ready? So first picture is for zoo. For zoo. For zoo. You visit zoo? आप लोग zoo में गए हो कभी? Zoo में in the zoo there are many types of animals like zebra, like giraffe, elephant, panda, tiger, lion, monkey, right? So in zoo there are different types of animals lives in zoo. Okay, so therefore zoo, zoo, therefore zoo, therefore zero, therefore zero, therefore zero. Zero is a number. Zero is a number. Therefore zebra crossing. Therefore zebra crossing. When traffic light, when red light say stop, 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 we use zebra crossing for walking. Right? When traffic light red says stop, 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 we use zebra crossing for walking. Then zebra crossing we look in road. We look on road. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag, 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 zigzag. Okay, Z for zigzag. Now Z for zip. Z for zip. Zip means हमारे स्वेटर्स में होती है ना zip. Okay. Then Z for zebra. Z for zebra. And what is the phonic sound of Z? Z. And bee. What does the sound honey bees make? Right. So once again we revise. Z for zebra. Zebra. Z for zip. Zip. Z for zigzag. Zigzag. Z for zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Z for zero. Zero. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. So our revision part is done. Today we learn how to write letter Z. So we write the letter Z between two blue lines to make a slipping line, slanting line, slipping line to make a zigzag line, right? Okay, so shall we start? So come with me. So take out English worksheet everyone. Page number 70. Page number 73. Page number 73. The activity of letter Z. So first Sprinkle the black rangoli color on the black strips of the zebra. You see a zebra in worksheet. You see a zebra in worksheet. So we sprinkle a black rangoli. This one is in your homework. Then trace the letter Z. So take out your pencil, everyone. How we trace the letter Z? Slipping line, then slanting line, then slipping line makes the letter Z. Okay, slipping line, slanting line, slipping line makes the letter Z. And Z says Z. Now circle the letter Z in the picture. Circle the letter Z. Circle the letter Z in the pictures given below. So there are pictures. Okay, so we circle the letter Z. Okay, so which picture is this? First we revise the picture. Which picture is this? Zoo. Yes. Where lives animals? Zoo. Then zip. Zip. For zip. For zigzag. I will teach you in this activity. We make a zigzag line to help Z and zebra. So now circle the letter Z in the picture given below. So in this picture, where is the letter Z? Small letter Z. This one? Yes. So circle the letter Z like this. Then in this picture, which picture is this, kid? Zip. So circle the letter Z like this. Then which picture is this? Zigzag. So where is the Z? This one. So circle it. So our first page classwork is done. Page number 73. Now take out page number 74. Page number 74. So are you all ready for today's classwork? So write down CW and date. Are you all happy today? So make a smiley. Yes, we are happy today. Trace and write the letter Z. So which letter we learn today? Today I will introduce you small letter Z. So how we trace the letter Z? We are in blue line we make a slipping line, slanting line, slipping line makes the letter Z, and Z says slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. One minute, okay. Between two blue lines, you make a slipping line, then you make a slanting line, then slipping line. Z for zebra, zebra. Between two blue lines for slipping line, left side slanting line, slipping line says Z, zoo. Okay, sorry. Okay. Blue line slipping line, between two blue lines slanting line, and then slipping line. Z says again in blue line make a slipping line, then slanting line, then another slipping line. Z says for zoo. Very good. Now trace. Now our trace part is done. Now writing time. In blue line we make a slipping line, then left side slanting line, slipping line, slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Z says slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Z says in blue line we make a slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Z says Z for zebra. Z says Z for zoo. Z says Z for zero. Z says Z for zebra crossing. Z says in blue line we make a slipping line. Now left side slanting line between two lines, and also in blue line we make another slipping line. So our today's classwork is done. In page number 74 and 73. First, we done an activity of letter Z, and then we learn how to write small letter Z in our worksheet. So full page is in your classwork. Now homework time. So kids, take out page number 72 in textbook everyone. And you know this one is the last letter for you. Okay. So write down HW here and here also. So circle the object whose name begin with Z sound. With sound, Z sound. So book is Z sound. No kids. Zero is sound. Yes. So circle the letter. Circle the object like this. Now paste the sticker here. So where is the sticker kids? In last page of a book. Take out a sticker. Take out and stick here like this. So our first page homework is done. Now take out page number 73. And 0 means nothing at all. 0 is no value. Okay, 0 is no value. So 0 means nothing at all. Now trace and write the letter Z. So today we learn small letter Z. So write HW and same as classwork we trace the letter Z. And then how we write the letter Z? In blue line slipping line, between two blue lines left side slanting line, and then again slipping line. Z for zebra, zebra, Z for zoo, zoo. So kids, today's class work is in English worksheet and our homework is in English textbook. So today's class work and homework. Class work page number 73 and 74 in worksheet. Homework page number 72 and 73 half page in textbook. So hope you like our today's class work and homework. Today we learn new letter Z with activities. So bye everyone. And enjoy your awesome day. Thank you.